Down with Ramaphosa, down. Down with Ramaphosa, down. Amandla.
Everything Julius Malema said in this video are really shocking. Why do I say so? Julius Malema was referring to President Ramaphosa in this video, that President Ramaphosa must go to jail like Jacob Zuma. Did you believe this? Now, according to Julius Malema, he said that PHALA PHALA is out, and because of PHALA PHALA judgment, that President Ramaphosa must go to prison because of PHALA PHALA, the money he collected, and everything concerning PHALA PHALA. So, what do you think concerning this? Julius Malema is someone that always hit the nail on the head. He will give you the informations you really want to hear. So, make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the very end. You will hear more things Julius Malema said concerning President Ramaphosa. When we come back, we discuss. So, watch this.
Amandla. Amandla. Viva EFF, viva. Down with Ramaphosa, down. Down with Ramaphosa, down. Amandla. Thank you very much, Secretary General, DSG, Provincial Chair, Provincial Secretaries, and all leaders who are here. The ground forces of the EFF, you made it. You came here and said PHALA PHALA must be released. Today, PHALA PHALA is out, and the Constitutional Court has agreed with you that Ramaphosa must be subjected to impeachment in Parliament. That the panel report must be taken to impeachment process, that vote of the ANC was corrupt, it was unconstitutional, it is invalid, and therefore set aside. Like we told them on that day, you cannot vote to protect crime. You cannot vote to protect corruption, because every vote must be accompanied by rationality. Can this vote meet the rationality test? What was supposed to happen is that after the panel brought a report, we should have sent the report straight to impeachment, so that all the prima facie evidence that they say exist can be canvassed in a transparent manner, where South Africans will get to see the truth through an impeachment process. So impeachment process is like Madlanga Commission, it's like ad hoc commission, where Cyril is going to be called and is going to be put on the seat there and is going to be asked, where did you get the dollars? How did you bring the dollars into South Africa? Why did you put them into the sofas? So I'm going to be in that committee because we want to go and see the sofas where the money was there at PHALA PHALA. Because PHALA PHALA is a crime scene. We have to visit the crime scene to see what happened in that particular farm where crime was committed. We told them that for as long as the EFF is alive, PHALA PHALA will never die. And they never believed us. So when you are impeached, comrades, it's not a motion of no confidence. Once we conclude that you have undermined your oath of office, you have committed crime, then we go to Parliament to impeach you. There is no impeach. We take away the salary. Because remember, President is paid for the rest of his life. So we remove you from the office, we take away the salary and all the benefits, including the blue lights. So letlotla kana le ena Ramaphosa kwa taxi rank ka mabonale a tsamaya. So utloya vila taxi rank. Because even the status of a former president is taken away. He's no longer a former president. He's just Matamela Cyril Ramaphosa. He becomes an ordinary man. Then criminal investigation comes in. Cyril is going to go to prison. The same way Zuma went to prison. He's going to go to prison. Mark my word. I always tell you these things and they come to happen. So I'm telling you now, like I told you before, Phala Phala will never die. I'm telling you now, Ramaphosa is going to jail. There is no way Ramaphosa will not go to jail. Once the impeachment process opens up, the kind of shenanigans that are going to come out of that process, the amount of evidence that is going to come out of that impeachment process, there is no way Ramaphosa will not be arrested. Police must do their job and stop bringing money back here. I saw the provincial commissioner, Ari, Tsamotshwaratsotsi kwa Hyde Park, Lekgodu, le kwa Hyde Park, le kwa Union Building. Tsotsieri nyakang imo Gauteng, provincial commissioner ya Gauteng, ena le responsibility bopha tsotsi tshwara. Aresana president rena le skebekwa. Aresana president, we have a criminal. There is no criminal that must be treated with respect, because that criminal has undermined the constitution of the Republic of South Africa. Today, for sure, all of you can see why they want me in prison. Because if I'm in prison, all of this will not be possible. They want to silence me. They want to silence you by silencing me so that you never get to know the truth. At least I got the truth before I went to jail. At least I opened the eyes of South Africans before I went to jail. All of this worked against their plan, because we as the EFF have got a giraffe view. We can see how the future looks like. Now is for Ramaphosa to use his conscience and resign as the president of South Africa and go and face the impeachment. We can't have a president that is doing the work of president and doing the work of impeachment. He must concentrate on one. He can't concentrate on the president. He has to concentrate on impeachment. This goes again to the doorstep of the ANC. They must choose South Africa or they must choose Ramaphosa. The Constitutional Court was very clear. The prima facie exists, therefore it must go to the impeachment. Let's see that story of theirs of step aside. Whether that step aside has got eyes or not. Because facing impeachment is equal to standing in a box in a court of law and being charged, because you are only charged when there is prima facie. Now the panel said there is prima facie, meaning he is charged in parliament. He has to face the impeachment process. Let's see if the step aside process only applies to certain individuals and doesn't apply to Ramaphosa. We know that it took long for us to arrive here. The Chief Justice has apologized. We accept her apology and we accept a wonderful judgment of this Constitutional Court. So fighters, there are a lot of fighters who are still coming, who are not going home, who are going to dance here, celebrate here, and march all over Johannesburg to celebrate the victory of the EFF, the victory of the people of South Africa. Amanda!
According to Julius Malema, he says that President Ramaphosa must go through impeachment process, just like someone who is going through Madlenga Commission and other committee members. President Ramaphosa will face impeachment process, and what Julius Malema said shows that if care is not taken, Ramaphosa will go to prison or jail. So, do you believe that? Do you believe that everything Julius Malema said concerning Ramaphosa, they are all true? Drop your opinions in the comment section. Let's know what you think. I really appreciate your time for watching my videos. For more news, updates like this, subscribe. because you will never regret it. Turn on the bell. Anytime I publish the next video, you will get notification. See you in the next one, and bye.